She's out back.
Oh.
Grandpa said, hey, Red.
What? Oh.
Here's crawdads. Who wanted crawdads? You're up.
Steve Azuzu.
Why did they throw it in the snow?
Because we were going to take them home and eat them.
What happened to the other one?
No, it's not. You're not throwing them in, are you? Just what you need to fish on your thing, right?
No, it's not.
Very good. Yeah?
20 feet.
Yeah, he was that
Smile.
first one. He did really good. Are you not
I thought we had some. No, this
I thought we had the shells, right?
Yeah,
No, that's the good one.
I brought stuff for that. I brought stuff for that, but they don't sink yet.
Now when we want to go in the slide, there's crawdads.
You're gonna sink, I think. You can. Yeah, we can throw them. But you can eat those.
Sink, you fools.
We're going to get some sharks from that.
Oh, we're going to get fish. We're going to get fish next to the crawdads.
Grayson, back up. Back up. Thank you. We're going to get some sharks.
Well,
Yeah, they're chumming the water.
Here we go.
Why can I keep fishing?
Oh, wow, Beth.
What is that all over the top of the water?
Hurry, you gotta pull that up quick, Grayson. Pull it up quick. You don't want it to get in the propeller. Good job. Okay, step away from the edge, please.
Yeah. You want to do that first?
why is it about to break?
Safest on the right side. So that you don't hook anybody.
Start aiming this way. That way. Yeah. Careful.
Caught a lure.
The water's not clean anywhere.
Yeah, we were telling Josh that yesterday. White's a good color. White's a good color, guys.
Really brings out my features.
Are you coming back out?
No.
Okay. Jackie, what's it down? No, this is really actually a nice seat.
Yeah.
Like one of the only.
Hey, I'm going to switch sides.
No, they don't want you to.
Yeah, we'll take pictures.
I don't know. They said something about hitting people with the lure.
Who cares, right? Oh, I care. Don't take no pictures of me. All my pictures of my. There you go, baby.
Oh, I think I got something.
Will you?
It's over lure.
No, we need to.
Your pole's not even bending. I think you don't have anything.
Uh-oh.
Mine's getting stuck.
Yours getting stuck?
Yeah, hang on. Mine's stuck. When they lined it up for us. Mine's
You
got
got
a
some.
no.
There you go. I got out of your way. We left.
He's like, why are you
I
in
have to
space?
take mine apart, but I'll cast for it if you want.
I'm good.
I'll show you my cast.
Yeah, let's just see it. Oh, wow. Ooh,
You just cast like that.
BDE.
Oh, I got a jet ski. Mark, you wanna go on the jet ski with me?
Yeah.
Don't get on that one.
No. Okay.
That one's basically sinking, I promise. It needs to go back. Good job, man.
Oh, you caught a minnow.
Yeah, you see that? Look how big it is.
Yeah, let's eat it.
Hey Grayson, I'm gonna let you
Yeah,
cast
something's
one
wrong
more
with
time,
that.
and then I need you to come here,
Look
please.
at the rope on top of
I
that.
get a knot. You better not mention that again.
No, I'm gonna have to figure
Oh,
that out.
careful! Don't go over Rob's line. Hey, handsome. No, you don't have to take
No,
it
no,
off.
no. I just want to do my homework.
No, 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 no,
I
no,
think if we
no,
just
no,
like
no.
sit there and go like this.
I have to.
You got a shirt on, honey, and that won't.
You don't need it.
Celebration.
You don't need to take
Here,
your
unhook
clothes
it
off.
for me.
Just want to take off my shirt.
There you go.
He looks angry.
You just want to show us
He is
that
angry.
she's
I was gonna
He's angry because he hasn't
what
caught
are you
anything yet.
doing
Where's all the big mouth bass ladies at?
there? Pull it up the top.
That's a good one.
All right, I think I got my knot out. Good. I can't see that far ahead.
Don't even.
That's naughty.
Yeah, that is pretty.
Look
Oh,
at that
it's back again.
Hurry me.
six pack. He really does have muscles.
Yeah, he does.
Wow.
Got no fat on his body.
I didn't
kidding
have
me?
muscles when I was that small.
Kelly, we go to the gym every day and get yoked, bro.
Yep.
He drinks protein shakes for breakfast.
He legit has like abs.
On the side, too.
Oh, fuck.
You want to see something cute? Turn around.
Alright, I gotta pull it in. I gotta pull the line out.
I have to do your back.
You don't even need that, Gracie. Have a shirt on.
Alright, I gotta go figure mine out. Something's wrong with mine.
Mark, go on jet ski.
Yeah, sit over.
Let's go now before it gets choppy.
Why don't you go take one of the jet skis in and swap it out?
I'm not going over there. I won't do that shit.